Hello everyone, welcome to your online music class. In this video, we are going to learn one variation of the Western rhythm. At first, let me demonstrate it to you. 1, 2, here we go. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 4. 1, 2, and 3 and 1. Let's break it down now. The variation is in the first beat. Earlier, we were playing 1 and 2. But now we will play 1 and 2. Listen to it very carefully. There is just slight difference in the gap. 1 and 2. One more time. 1 and 2. And the rest of the rhythmic pattern is exactly the same. Let's practice it together now. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 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 Very good. Now let's try this variation with the rhythm. Ready? 1, 2, here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And 1. So that's all for the today's lesson. And now I want you to practice this variation on your Congo. If you don't have the Congo, then just grab the pillow and start practicing. And most important, have fun. Thank you. Bye-bye.